Think you understand evolution? Think again. Many popular beliefs about how life changes are actually myths, even for the brightest minds. For centuries, our planet has been a monument to change. Continents shift, oceans rise and fall, creatures appear and disappear, leaving traces in ancient stone. Fossils reveal unexpected stories, DNA coils with secrets. Each branch in the tree of life shows evolution's intricate patterns. But what if much of what you've been told about evolution isn't quite right? Science challenges the myths. This series breaks down 6 widespread misconceptions. We'll show you how real evolution works, clearly, simply, and backed by evidence. Our goal is to replace confusion and skepticism with understanding and curiosity. Evolution explained simply.
Imagine hearing the phrase, "Evolution is just a theory." It's a statement that raises doubts, but let's dig deeper into what that word really means. In everyday conversation, theory often suggests a hunch, a guess, or something unproven. But in the world of science, the meaning is far more powerful. A scientific theory is not a mere guess. It stands as one of the highest achievements in scientific understanding. It's built on rigorous testing, careful observation, and repeatable experiments, like those you'll find in busy laboratories, under powerful microscopes, and within the evidence of ancient fossils and the double helix of DNA. Theories don't just appear. They are the result of decades, often centuries, of investigation, refinement, and proof. They connect thousands of facts into a framework that explains how the world works, and they withstand relentless scrutiny and challenge. Evolution, like other landmark theories in science, is supported by mountains of evidence. Its status as a theory means it's well-tested, robust, and trusted by scientists worldwide. It explains and predicts discoveries, guiding research and innovation across biology, genetics, and medicine. So the next time you hear the word theory, remember, in science, it means more than a guess. It's the tested and proven foundation that helps us understand life itself.
Many believe humans evolved directly from monkeys. That's not the case. Modern humans and modern monkeys are separate branches on the evolutionary tree. We both descend from a shared ancestor, a long-extinct primate, not from one another. Imagine a family tree where distant cousins share grandparents. In the same way, humans and monkeys are evolutionary cousins, connected by a branch that split millions of years ago. So, humans did not come from monkeys. We share deep roots in the story of life on Earth. Think evolution is just a theory, unsupported by evidence? Let's challenge that misconception. Modern science draws on multiple lines of proof, all independent yet remarkably unified. Consider DNA sequencing. Every living thing shares a genetic blueprint with subtle differences mapping out our evolutionary connections. The closer our DNA, the more recent our common ancestry. Next, comparative anatomy reveals powerful clues. Compare a human hand, a whale's flipper, and a bat's wing. Despite their varied functions, their bone structures reveal a shared origin, shaped and reshaped by millions of years of adaptation. Fossil layers lay out the timeline. Deep within the Earth, fossils show a step-by-step progression of life. Ancient ancestors, transitional forms, and species branching off, gradually transforming from simple to complex. Embryology, the study of development before birth, adds yet another layer. Embryos of vastly different animals often start with similar structures, echoing shared evolutionary paths before diverging into unique forms. Taken together, these lines of evidence don't just suggest evolution, they confirm it. Hundreds of years of careful study, millions of data points, and the biological tapestry etched by time all say the same thing. Evolution is supported by overwhelming, undeniable scientific evidence.
Is evolution just a matter of luck? Many believe so, but this is a widespread misunderstanding. Imagine a mutation, a tiny change in an organism's DNA. This happens randomly, without purpose or design. Occasionally, mutations create new traits, but mutation is only half the story. Now, picture life in action. Animals searching for food, plants adapting to drought, predators hunting prey. This is where natural selection steps in. It's anything but random. The environment challenges every organism. Only those best suited to survive and reproduce pass their traits to the next generation. Evolution isn't a roll of the dice. It's random mutation plus non-random selection. Nature acts as an editor, choosing which traits will stay and which will fade generation after generation. Survival of the fittest isn't just about strength. It's about fitting into the environment. If a mutation gives an advantage, it's likely to spread. If not, it disappears. Through this process, life shapes itself over time. Evolution is not simply chance. It's a powerful blend of unpredictable changes, filtered through the order of natural selection. Understanding this reveals the true beauty and logic at the heart of life's story.
Evolution isn't just some distant theory. It's happening all around us every single day. We see bacteria adapting to survive antibiotics, changing so quickly that new treatments are needed. On the Galapagos Islands, finches evolve unique beaks in response to shifting food sources, proof that even small changes matter. The endless variety among dog breeds is the result of generations of selective breeding, showing evolution at work in our own homes. And viruses mutate rapidly, with new variants emerging right before our eyes. These are real-time examples. Evolution is observed constantly, shaping life and driving change everywhere. Evolution isn't just a lesson from ancient history, it's an engine that drives our world every single day. From the medicines we rely on to the food we eat, the fingerprints of evolution are everywhere. Consider medicine. Bacteria evolve quickly, and that's why antibiotic resistance is rising. Each time an antibiotic is used, bacteria face a test. Some survive, adapt, and become harder to defeat. So, evolutionary understanding guides doctors to use antibiotics carefully, helping us stay one step ahead. In agriculture, evolution shapes the crops that fill our tables. Farmers breed plants for bigger yields, disease resistance, and better flavor. These changes happen because we harness evolutionary principles, selecting traits over generations to improve food. Even pests and diseases adapt, pushing us to innovate endlessly. Genetics is evolution at work deep inside us. Our genes tell stories of ancient survival, influencing everything from health to eye color. Scientists now use genetic knowledge to predict disease risks and tailor medicines, building healthier futures by understanding our evolutionary history. Evolution is not just a theory, it's the map behind the challenges and innovations of today. By recognizing its role, we become partners in shaping our own well-being and progress. So next time you pick up your medicine or choose your dinner, remember, evolution is shaping your life right now.
A single post can reach millions in moments, but what if the message isn't true? In a world saturated with social media, old textbooks, and deep-rooted cultural stories, confusion often blooms where clarity should grow. Misunderstanding does not equal truth. Consider how quickly information travels online. Memes, rumors, and viral trends can feel convincing, yet not all are carefully checked. Social media platforms are built for speed, not always for accuracy. This is how simple errors can become widespread beliefs. Then there are the books many grew up with. Lessons learned from outdated materials may stick for years, even if new discoveries tell a different story. When knowledge stands still, misconceptions linger. Cultural traditions shape the way people interpret the world. Family tales, customs, and local wisdom carry meaning, but sometimes beliefs passed down through generations turn into unquestioned facts. Why do these misunderstandings persist? Familiar sources feel reliable. Fast answers seem comforting. Yet only by questioning, seeking new perspectives, and checking facts do we begin to separate misunderstanding from truth. Rather than accepting what we see at face value, every curious mind has the power to ask, could this be wrong? A thoughtful approach reveals more than just information. It uncovers understanding. And in that moment, the difference between confusion and clarity is ours to define.
Curiosity is what drives us forward, not confusion. Let's set the record straight. Dinosaurs and humans never lived together. Evolution is not random, but guided by natural selection. Genes don't determine everything. Environment matters too. Climate change is proven science, not opinion. Not all bacteria are dangerous. Many keep us healthy. And scientific theories aren't guesses. They're evidence-backed explanations. Science brings clarity, answers, and wonder. It's an invitation to explore, not to fear. Which topic should we unravel next? Please comment your choice below. Subscribe, like, and share if you're ready for more curiosity. Together, we welcome the endless journey of discovery.